Parallel lines. In geometry, parallel lines represent those lines that go in the same direction. Obviously, the lines must not go along the same coordinates, as in this case, they would overlap and we would not be able to distinguish them from each other. The main feature of parallel lines is that they don't have any common point. In other words, parallel lines extend to infinity on both sides, but they never touch each other. Moreover, parallel lines always have the same distance separating them. We have the following shown on screen. The lines L1 and L2 are parallel, as they go in the same direction without touching each other and keeping the same distance d between them. For now, we are interested in studying the parallel lines using an algebraic approach. As for the geometric approach, there will be separate chapters later on in this math course when we will explain them extensively. That is all for lesson 14.4.1. To continue this tutorial, please watch 14.4.2. What is the condition for two or more lines to be parallel? Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.com.